Even the smartest AI agent needs the right data to respond accurately. So, what happens when your AI agent isn't trained on a customer's question? Don't worry, our AI agent will never guess or generate fictional answers. Instead, it will trigger this workflow, informing the customer that it doesn't have the right information to support them at the moment. What happens next is completely under your control. You can choose to offer the customer to connect with a live agent or let them submit a support ticket automatically. It's your call. Every step is fully configurable. Here's the magic. We automatically log every question the AI couldn't answer. Just head over to the Missing tab inside your AI agent settings. Review the unanswered question and retrain your AI with the missing info. So the next time, AI agent is ready. This way, your support team can focus on complex cases while your AI agent keeps getting smarter and more efficient, scaling your customer service without scaling your workload. Don't fear the unknown. Train for it. Let your AI agent learn, improve, and evolve with every conversation.